You're here with the Mouse Vibes, and today Ashley and I are finally on our way to Orlando for our Walt Disney World trip.
Woo! The little pupperino's having anxiety. We're about to drop this little girl off and head to LAX.
Yes, today's gonna be a full travel day for the Mouse Vibes, something a little bit different. So we're gonna travel from LAX to Orlando. On the way, drop off Gizmo, do some parking, get on a shuttle, and then we're gonna check into our hotel, the Pop Century Resort, from the plane, and also order some Postmates because we're getting in a little bit late.
We're gonna show you guys our entire travel day in case you were thinking of traveling to Walt Disney World from California this year. Come on, Giz. She wishes she was going, but she's not. Oh.
All right, guys, let's get ready to boogie.
Let's party with our Mouse Vibes travel day, yeah.
Mouse Vibes?
Mouse Vibes.
First stop of the day, dropping off Gizmo.
She's having a full-blown panic attack. We haven't left her in so long, but we're gonna drop her off.
Yes, we're dropping her off at an awesome dog sitter. She's great with Gizmo. Gizmo loves her. So we'll be back in a few days, Giz. We'll get you all the treats. We're gonna come back with some spirit jerseys and all that stuff. So we'll miss you, baby.
Bye.
Okay, we just dropped off our little turd. We're gonna miss her. We haven't been away from her in a pretty long time.
Yeah, since October, since the last time we went to Walt Disney World.
But let's be real. Now that the parents are alone, we're gonna go have some fun.
Also, you guys, I never not have makeup on the Mouse Vibes and I look crazy.
Yeah, she's face naked right now. We're gonna head to LAX, get on our flight, and then off to Orlando.
I look like Uncle Fester. Okay, we just got to the airport. We're about to get on our flight, and Nick's bosses actually hit me up earlier this week, and they're like,
Hey, what's your confirmation number?
and they treated Nick to first class for his birthday, so we get to fly first class. You know, I'm not paying that.
We're so excited. That just elevated our trip to another level. So shout out Matt, Rebecca, and Ashley for doing
I know.
awesome things.
This is gonna ruin me though, because when we flew to Japan and got first class because the airline effed up, I was like, it's gonna ruin me, but I'm excited. Kick off to birthday weekend.
And now we have a little bit of time at LAX before our flight, so we're gonna get something to eat because, you know, I get famished.
Yeah, but I have travel anxiety. Comment below if you get travel anxiety, and I can't even think of food because I'm like, but it'll go away when I get on the flight.
So she's gonna have a Bloody Mary. We're about to go to the airport right now.
Bloody Mary. I hope you can hear us.
Get the mic.
I have double mask, you guys.
Double mask.
Double mask. And my nails match my bag, but I'll show you guys more of that at the parks. Let's go.
First class passengers, but it's okay. You have a Jurassic Park mask on. You're gonna go regardless. And love, Mr. Romantic here.
Finally, we got to the airport so early. I'm waiting for.
Negative for COVID-19. Failure to wear a mask or refusal to wear a mask may result in removal from the aircraft and or a federal fine.
Do you know what time it is?
What time is it?
It's 2:20.
Which means it's time for us to go to Orlando.
It is time. We're just sitting here waiting to leave. Are you excited?
I'm so excited. I can't wait.
And we're in first class because we got upgraded. Perfect kickoff to the weekend. Now we just need some champagne.
Coming right in.
That means the highest standard of cleanliness on every Delta flight. That's the Delta Care standard. Because even when the world changes, Delta's mission stays the same.
If there's one thing about me, I'm gonna watch a Diane Keaton rom-com.
I'm watching Bruce Lee.
Let's go. You guys haven't seen Ashley in vacation mode. If you want to see Ashley in vacation mode, look at our Cabo trip that is like from 2 years ago on our channel. Oh, fake ID, fake ID. Cheers to you guys. Hope this inspires you to live your best life. The mask is going back on for safety.
And finally, please check right your seat for any remaining cups, glasses, or any other items you would like to discard. Pass them to the flight attendants as we come to the cabin. We'll be landing shortly.
Why are you judging me? I'm on vacation. Comment below if you decaf on vacation. Oh my god, we're already landing.
Yeah.
Shit. I just spilled wine on myself. Let's go. We're here at Disney World. So excited. Longest flight ever. There's gonna be signs for you everywhere when you land. So if you don't follow the paper that they send you, there'll be signs everywhere. So don't be insecure, worried. When you land, it'll guide you to the Magical Express. And the Magical Express expires soon. So if you come after it's done, you can get a lift simply on ground level. You got this. You got this, I believe in you.
And if you're not familiar with the Magical Express, it is a bus system that takes you to all of the Disneyland resorts. This is the last year they're doing a complimentary service, so get here while you can. You're gonna have to pay for this.
But when the Magical Express is done, don't feel intimidated. There's so much signage here at the airport that will lead you to an Uber or Lyft. So it's gonna be fine, you guys, and they always have discounts. So it's gonna be fine. They're gonna
you know where
let
to go?
you know. We're gonna let you know where to go.
Do you know where to go?
No.
Wrong. This way.
I know it's a bit intimidating coming to Orlando because it's like Walt Disney World. You have to plan everything like 1,000 days in advance. I get it. My suggestion is always booking everything through Disney, because when we came in October, we did the AAA discount, and the inconvenience of having to drive somewhere else, parking, and getting that code for your AAA discount. Book everything through Disney. You're not gonna regret it. And if you can, get a travel agent because they don't charge any extra. You get the best resorts with the Skyliner, etc., etc. Like, it's fine. But if you have any questions, hit up the Mouse 5s, leave a comment on what you have questions on, and we'll definitely let you know, because the Magical Express does expire soon. But I truly suggest getting a resort with a Skyliner or monorail access. It is a game changer. Okay, so I'm not gonna lie, I thought since we were landing at 10 that the Pop Century Resort Disney Magical Express would be empty. It's not. But we're saving tons of money. Don't judge me. I'd almost rather pay for an Uber for convenience because we're waiting, and I just like don't like waiting. I'm a jerk. If you hate me for it, whatever. But we've been waiting for like 20 minutes. It's gonna come soon. But pro tip, Postmate to your hotel and have them drop it off the front desk if you arrive from the West Coast, because you're gonna be hungry and airplane food's not gonna do it. So we have some kebab and pizza waiting for us when we check into our hotel.
We're hopping on the Magical Express, the free transportation from the airport over to the resort, so stoked on that.
Order Postmates from the airport and it'll be there right when you arrive. Mouse 5 tip number 1. Woo!
All right, so we just took the Magical Express over from the Orlando airport. That was super convenient. We were actually the first stop on it, so I can't complain about that. First class the whole way here. We're about to check and see what era we're about to check into. We're hoping for 1970s or 1980s. Let's do this. I said we're gonna get the 70s or 80s. What tower are we gonna get?
I'm hoping to get 70s or 80s just because I'm a disco queen.
So 70s then?
70s disco queen, Club 54. I was meant to be in my roller skates. Okay, so there's a global issue with all the Disney apps right now. So nothing's working. So they just manually checked us in and we're staying by the Skyliner. And if it doesn't update in our app, we have to pop by here in the morning to confirm, but it's not gonna mess with our Rise of the Resistance check-in. We're trying really hard to get a Rise of the Resistance boarding pass. We're gonna wake up at 6:45 a.m. and try for 7. So wish us luck. We're gonna find building 5 and we're off.
We're going to the 60s, which is groovy because it's right next to the Skyliner and the main entrance, so we don't have to walk far, which is pretty sick.
And the main reason we chose this resort was for the Skyliner access. When we came in October, which you guys can check out all those videos, the Skyliner access was so money. Like, I wanted to say the Grand Floridian and be all foo-foo, and Nick's like, why? We're sleeping in the room, let's just get Skyliner, and it was so good. We get to pop on the Skyliner and come home. What can be better than free transportation?
I mean, that and the freaking pool bar is right next to our room.
Pool bar, nightcap. You know Mouse Guys love a nightcap. Do we have to go upstairs?
Yeah, it's like, wanna go beyond?
Are you serious? Are you super serious, you guys? And this is a value resort, so I'm really curious to see how these rooms are, what the noise level is, but they are newly renovated and it was only like $170 a night. It saved us a lot of money, so let's check this room.
Look at our view.
And the pool.
Right next to it, right there. Bathroom sink time. Here it goes.
You're here.
Well, it smells clean.
It does smell clean.
Did you remove that mask so quickly?
So quick. And you guys, this, if you're traveling with a group, this right here is an additional queen size bed. So this is a desk. Nick and I will be using this for editing, but you can hide this desk and put this as a queen bed. It folds down. Double the fun, double the pleasure. Nothing better than getting off your flight and having kebab waiting for you. Okay guys, it's 8 o'clock LA time. I literally have my night guard and retainer in. This is like
It's midnight here in Orlando.
This is Mouse Vibes raw. It's like 8:30, 9 o'clock.
It's so raw. We just had kebabs. We're stuffed. We have to get up super early to get Rise of the Resistance boarding passes.
Yeah, we have to get up at 6:45 to get Rise of the Resistance passes. I have a list.
Yeah, but we're due some good luck. I just tried to buy waters out of the vending machine and gave me Sprite.
Yeah, so wish us luck. We hope you love our vlogs and follow us on Instagram at Mouse Vibes for in real time content.
Because we're about to slay.
Yeah, with my retainers. Bye.
Bye.